Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert. In this video we're going to be going over how to get your print going once you've got your G-code ready. So you can take the SD card out of here. It's a micro SD card. Hopefully you can see that, and notice that it's kind of metal prongs up. Focus, focus, there we go. Metal prongs up, so remember that, the way that it goes in. And you will often need one of these. This is what we need, an SD card adapter that is going to switch from the micro SD to a normal size SD card. Pop that in. Trying to do this at an awkward angle, sorry. There we go. And then on our laptops, we've got this spot, so going to focus, where there's like a dust cover. So we take out the dust cover for the SD card, put in the SD card, copy, get your file in there. Remember to click and safely eject the SD card in the software, in the OS, before you just yank it out. You don't want to corrupt any files. Take out your SD card. Remember the dust cover, okay? And now what we're going to be doing is taking the micro SD card out of the SD card. Got it? And then remember that it went metal prongs up. We're now going to pop that into here, and then be gentle with this because it's not very well designed. You could see how that's not where it's supposed to go. It needs to be very well aligned and put in there very gently. Alright, and yeah, then you go to the menu and do the stuff we'll show in another video. So Keith from Kinvert, we showed how to get the SD card out, get it in an SD card adapter, the micro SD card by the way. It goes metal prongs up. Remember to safely eject. Remember, if you got any dust covers or anything for your SD card readers, put those back in. And yeah, that's how you do it. Cool. This is part of our online course for 3D printing and CAD. Hope you found this helpful, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.